Good morning. Today's video to you, I'm beginning it indoors. It's supposed to be around 100 degrees today, and then tomorrow and the next day, 107 is what they've been predicting. I think I saw on one post forecast that it might be 108 on Thursday. It's still summer. Anyway, my video today is just a little bit longer than you're used to seeing, and that's okay. It'll take me longer to get it uploaded to YouTube, but hopefully, and I've been trying to learn how to edit and make them a little more interesting to watch. I don't even know if I'm going to try today to do that, but we'll see. And my daughter and my grandson have been watching my videos, so hi Micah, how are you? To all the rest of you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let me know that you've seen the video. Talk to you later, and here comes my video. My first thing that I'm going to show you is my tomato cutting that I've had sitting in a glass of water on the windowsill, and it's got lots of roots, and I'm going to show it to you here in just a tad. And maybe this evening, or probably tomorrow evening, or maybe early tomorrow morning, I'll get out and plant it in my garden. It's late enough in the summer, it may not produce any tomatoes, but it's still fun to grow. I noticed one of my starts that I took actually had a bloom on it, so whether we get a tomato, don't know. I don't really care that much. It's exciting when I do get success on something, but just the fact that it got roots and I could plant it and it did that, that's the part that makes me feel good. Well, here comes the video. We'll see you later. Happy gardening. It bloomed, it bloomed, it bloomed. I'm so excited. My hollyhock bloomed. I didn't think it was going to. It didn't last year or the year before. It grew, but it didn't bloom. This year it bloomed. Yay! And I like the big pumpkin plant. I'm not sure if it's starting to grow any or not. It just has blooms at this point. I like the bloom. The grapes are doing great for having just been planted. That's the start. And that sunflower looks kind of pretty. Very tall, but pretty. Oh, and here's the other grape plant right now beside it. This is my plum tree. We've lived in this house, about 20 years, maybe a dash or so more. And in all that time, we've had plums on the tree a couple of 2, maybe 3 times, I don't know. Every year it blooms, but then we don't end up seeing plums. The plums that it does have when it has plums are little ones in there. They're good. A little bit sour, but good. And then down below, that's, I believe, some of the stuff that's over by the house, and I think, what did I decide that was? You know, when I go to talk to you, the names of things just fly right out of my head. Hydrangea, that's what I was after. Yes. these pretty little flowers come up in my vegetable garden. And yes, they're good pollinators, but they grow where I don't want them to grow, so I moved some of them over here by the fence. And I hope they do okay over here. They're kind of invasive, so we'll see what happens, but they look like they're doing okay this morning. Yesterday, after I planted them, they looked kind of wilty, but once they got watered by the irrigation system during the night, they perked right out of it. And I've got some more over here by the other fence too. And let's see. This could use a bit of landscaping, but oh well. Oh yeah, those, they're still a little bit droopy, but they're okay. I think they'll, if some of them make it, they don't need to all make it, but at least some of them do, that'll be fine. I'm not sure why we haven't put water in our water feature this summer, but we haven't. That's just the way it is, I guess. I love my hanging fish. We got that at an auction at a conference that we went to. And well, with the light shining through it just the way it is, and that position, that looks pretty cool. My opinion, of course. But I like the water feature. As this year, waterless feature. And my flowers out in front. Oh, I planted some chicken and hens there. My flowers out in front of it are doing just fine. Some more of those kind, like the ones I just moved over by the fence. And then some petunias. Petunias, of course, need to be replanted every year. And this one I think I bought. It says it's a Rudbeckia on the sign, Rudbeckia. But it's pretty. I like the little flowers. They're kind of small, but they're beautiful. Water lilies are quite happily plastic, as it is some of the green plants that are not growing in there. They're plastic. And there we go. And we have lights on it that shine at night. Those are solar lights. You know, I need to redo these. I made some Japanese lantern-looking things last summer, but I don't remember when. And they obviously are needing more. And then my memorial to, I don't know to whom, but it's a memorial. And I like, maybe it's just artwork. I forget what those were from, but they reminded me of something pretty, so I made something. The beginning of, well, late spring, early summer, I planted sunflowers along the fence here, and the process of stirring up the ground to plant things caused the weeds to come in full force, and I just haven't done anything about it. Because nothing grows very well here. The soil, I think, needs to be amended more, or amended at all, in order for it to work better, because you can see it's just kind of not very pretty. Again, another area that could stand some landscaping. It's just weeds. I believe those are called common mallow. I could be wrong. See that sunflower just doesn't get enough water. That sprinkler doesn't seem to hit right there, but it hits right here, just a little, just out of reach of the plants. And our big tall ones. Stick up. There we go. Oh, yes. Okay. And if you go to Corathin 3 on Weather Underground and search for all of our cameras, our webcams, there's 4 of them on there. Those are kind of interesting. You know, this is a weed, but I like the pretty little yellow flower. Then it makes a puffball. Wow, this has grown quite a bit in the last couple of days, since I made the video last, which, yeah, about 3 days ago. It's grown a lot. I'm so glad that it's alive, and it's going to be okay. Peony, that's what it is. This is my yucca plant. And I have a mystery. I planted some parsley. Something came along and ate it clear down to the ground. Didn't seem to bother anything else in my garden, just the parsley. I'll end today with showing you my hollyhock again. I'm just so pleased. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Happy gardening.